Hey guys, we got sent over a 16 panel dog playpen to do a little box opening and put it together and see how the dog likes it and see how we like it, so stick around. Well, as you saw, it was really easy to put together. It does come with these little black pegs that will go on the end of your stobs if you're going to put this in the house or on concrete. It kind of protects the flooring. But there it is. You can make it oval, you can make it square, whatever position you want, or you can make it bigger if you like went into the corner of your yard. Go out 8 panels this way and 8 panels that way, as a total of 16. Let me show you how this gate works real quick. Just simply push up on that and it releases it right there. You can see it right there. You just shut it. Opens and shuts real easy. Also has a latch right down here, I just noticed. So when you lift this, it lifts that down there as well. You can see that. Has a nice painted coating on it. It's smooth to the touch. Those stobs went into the ground real easy. Come here. Come here. Keep your dog in here if you would like. You just shut the panel. I've got this latch turned to the inside where you can get in and out real easy. Of course, you can reach over, real simple. Just open that, nothing to it. And this is a full-grown boxer, and you can see how much room there is. Really nice playpen for a dog, rabbit, whatever your little critter is. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.